Hi guys, it's LVZ Labs here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm just gonna do a mini gold jewelry haul collection. Ang popular na mga jewelries ngayon guys kasi hindi mo lang siya may susuot, may sasanla mo pa kapag may emergencies kasi ang gold tumataas. Char, medyo OA yung pagka voice over ko. Anyway, highway, ito pala ang mga jewelries ko guys. Nabili ko to siya 2020, 2023, and 2004. At parang nasa 2,500 to 3,500 to 4,000 yata yung mga per gram nito before. Okay, let's start off with the rings. So, itong first ring na to, signet tawag nito eh. So, ito ay sister rings namin magkakapatid. So, I have two younger sisters. Binilhan ko sila ng same nito. So, I have not been using this ring guys kasi medyo malaki na siya sa akin since I lose some weight. So, medyo malaki siya. Natatakot akong mawala siya. Medyo loose talaga siya pag ginagamit ko. And the second ring, guys, it is a ruby ring. I'm also sad with this kasi medyo malaki na din siya sa akin. Loose na din siya. Hindi ko na siya nasusuot. So, yeah, ito siya. Nung sa Pilipinas ako before, I've been using this one. Nilalagay ko siya sa middle finger ko. Okay naman siya. But here now, kahit sa index finger ko, loose pa din siya. It's not that cannot hold. It will lose if every day ko. Now, on my third ring, it's my engagement ring. So, ito ay 14K lang yata to siya guys kasi pag makapal at saka for everyday use before, kailangan mo talaga yung 14K kasi mas solid siya, like 50-50 lang yata yung gold niya. So yan, and then it's my mistake again. My mistake? Ano yan? It's my fault again kasi while I was in Philippines, mataba ako doon. I gained so much weight. I upsized it into size 8. So now, my issue is I cannot use it anymore. And for the meantime, ito yung everyday stock ko. I have this thin band and oval engagement ring. Also, a half-heart infinity ring that I got from an online seller in Hong Kong. They are so pretty, sparkly, and gusto ko sila kasi thin lang sila. But my problem is, 7.5 size sila. So, it's still big for me kapag naguhugas ako ng plato or nagpipilates. Everyday fall over. And this is my wed band. I have not been using it also because it's loose. I upsize it again and kailangan lang siyang suotin sa middle finger ko para hindi siya mag-loose. Ayan. And my other favorite one, this is also a half eternity ring but medyo malaki lang yung bato niya kasi this is a 1 carat diamond. And I got this from online selling in Hong Kong kasi they have this kind of Hong Kong jewelry fair that's going. And it's cutesy siya pag ilagay sa index, guys. Yung index finger mo. But lately, I've been using this one together with my engagement ring. Kasi sinastock ko siya to parang maging blocker siya to hold the bigger ring. Like, other side around. Girl, hindi yan. O, baliktad. Ganun. Ganyan. Correct. But then, still loosen because I think this is 7.5 yung half eternity at saka yung engagement ring ko is size 8. So, yun. Hangat mag-voice over, oy. This one is a sapphire ring that I got from online selling also from Japan. So, yeah. Umabot na tayo ng Japan, diba? From Hong Kong to Japan. Hulu, Sulu, Chos. Ang ganda din ng ring na to, guys, kasi naka-V siya at saka yung diamond niya ay combination of round and baguette. Cute siya ilagay sa middle finger. Dati, nasusuot ko pa rin siya nang nasa Pilipinas ako. But then, ang luwag niya kasi, nag-size 8 din ako. Diba? Advance mag-isip, hindi niisip na maglo-lose weight ka. And this little baby is also a solitaire ring. It has like a small diamond lang siya. So, I got this during yan. And our 6 years of wed saree. Sa cutesy lang siya. Ilagay sa middle finger. This one is like 6.5 kasi fit pa din siya sa akin. Ano? Nabubulol ka, girl. And the last of all the rings, this one is quite a big, thick ring. customized to siya, guys. So, yung gold na ginamit dito ay akin. Yung mga thin gold jewelries ko, pinamelt ko at ginawang bagong fresh ring na ganyan. So, separate pala to siya, guys. Itong sapphire gemstone, binili ko siya separately at saka yung diamond at saka pinagawa ko ng ganyan. So, marang iprinda siguro na ako ni. Oh, wait! Na. Meron pa pala akong itong sinusuoto, guys, na multi-gemstone. Lahat ng favorite color ko, kinukombine ko na siya dyan. 14K lang yata to siya. So, I got this around 2020 yata. So, all these gold jewelries I got, guys, sa Pilipinas to lahat na bili ko while I was in Philippines. So, mga 2020, 2023 to 2024 pa siya. Moving on to our earrings part. So this one pala, hindi pala to earrings, guys. A combination of all the brokenness. Mga sira at na mga nabali, na loose stone ko na rings at naputol ko na mga necklaces. Nilagay ko dito kasi papamelt ko siya pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas at gawing bago. And this corner is my loop earrings. Yan, hindi ko na siya ilalabas, no? Kasi loop is loop. Small rounds and big rounds. Yes. Next is my Huggy earrings. This one ay sinusuot ko talaga siya for everyday use kasi maliit lang siya. Medyo may pahag siya sa earrings. At this one naman, ang bilis ha. Ito yung medyo middle of the loop earrings naman siya. Pero papakita ko pala itong Huggy earrings ko, guys. Kasi may pinagawa ako dito. May pinakustomize talaga ako na... Wait lang. Pina-customize ko siya, guys. So, binili ko yung diamond separately at saka pinagawa ko ng super liit na parang huggy. Sinusuot ko siya sa second purse ko, which is super cute niya. And dependent part na tayo, guys. So, I have this heart, Chanel, and the barrel pendant. And the second pack of my pendants collection, guys. Ito na yung holy pendants ko, like mga medallions, mga miraculous, mga crosses. Meron din akong regalo pa ng in-law ko dito when I first arrived here. Ayan. Mahilig ako sa crosses lately. I've been buying few of them na hindi ko pa nakukuha na sa Pilipinas pa. And here is another cross. It is one of the green gemstone, but hindi siya emerald, guys. Different gemstone. So, di ba, super cutesy siya, lalo na kapag sinastack mo with other pendants. So, nilalagyan ko siya ng heart, guys, together with the cross. At itong round nito sa middle, guys, I got this from my mama. I think she got this from Hong Kong pa. So, with together, cross and heart, cutesy, di ba? And finally, on our last pouch, this is a dangling earrings. I have two of them. And our first dangling, this is like a disco ball kasi may cutting yung balls niya, guys. So, sparkly siya pag gabi, lalo na kapag iilawan, ganun. Masaya siya gamitin sa disco-disco, ganun. And the second one is itong dangling with a Chanel icon niya. It is actually a matchy sa Chanel pendant ko din, which is here, I showed earlier. Yarn, matchy yan sila. On my last collection in this part, we have the stud earrings. I have this ruby, pearl, round stud, and the heart die-cut stud earrings. So the next part will be necklaces. See ya!